yesterday also, and many a times I have warned that US crude has a very strong resistance in between 95 and 96. Precisely, it failed to break past 95.5 itself and dropped from these levels. This is what is called the accuracy, and this is what is called the analysis. At the same time, NG acted bullish, and till the time it trades above 9.25 9.3 zone, possibly we can expect 9.5 9.6 levels, and it is achieved these levels. I hope you all profited. Now, what is going to happen today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, oil, followed with NG. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on to profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do press the subscribe button. Let's start the day with crude. Now, look, crude on the hourly charts is giving you a bullish move, and you have to be watchful again for 94 and 94.5. Now, why these levels? Look at this. See, first on the hourly charts it is given lower lows, and on the hourly charts also we have seen higher highs. Where is the pivot is precisely at around 94. So from 94 it is seen 92, it is seen 95.5 almost. So this is the pivot at around 94. It can try to attempt and achieve these levels. This is going to be a very strong resistance zone. I have told you previously also 94 is a good resistance, and then beyond that 95 96 zone. Directional movement is bearish, willing to converge. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bearish, willing to converge. See, it is at extreme, so yes, it may converge. It may give you bullish candles from now onwards. RSI looking upwards too. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see higher lows and a breakout. So with the stop loss at 92.7, yes, you can remain long, but then 93.5 is the first resistance, 94 is the next resistance. You have to be cautious, and in fact 94.5 can be seen. Beyond that it will fly. Directional movement bearish, willing to converge. Stochastic at bottom. MACD is bearish, willing to converge. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, see the previous two candles, lower lows, higher lower highs, higher lows, and indicates consolidation. It is trying to rise from here, and till the time today it trades above 92.7, you can stay long. Then we can expect 94 levels to provide a resistance. 94 94.5 are a good target, and there are the good resistance levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards, and at bottom MACD is wide divergent bearish. It must start to converge from here. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. It is getting the resistance from the 20 period moving average precisely at 93.5. Possibly we may see a second green candle also, which might take it till towards 94.5 levels. So on the downside you have to be watchful of 92.7. Below 92.7, yes, we can see a good drop for 92 and 91.8, and below that we may see it dropping further for 91 levels, which is a very strong support on the downside. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is bottom. MACD is still bearish, and it is just 3 candles apart. It has still got some bearishness there. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily chart, see the next candle is yet to start here, and already in this candle we have seen flat top and lower lows, and now the next candle may start at around 94, and from there possibly a drop can happen. It can again act bearish. 92 definitely a very strong support. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is overbought, and it is willing to drop again. MACD is wide divergent and bullish. It must start to converge from here. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the weekly chart, see on the weekly chart it is still indicative of a reversal, and it may remain bullish, but at the same time it is trying to trade in this channel, trying to confine itself within 95 96 zone to 86 levels, and it can close the week at around these levels at around 92. Possibility exists, but right now it is trying to act bullish as it has given a breakout. Possibility exists that we may see 94 levels and 94.5. Beyond 94.5 we can see it flying soon. In between 92.7 and 93.5 do not trade. That is what I will recommend. Beyond 93.5 possibility exists that 94 94.5 should be a very strong resistance. Then 95 level should come into picture, and remember till 96 it has got a stronger resistance at every $0.5. So 95 95.5 and 96 level should come into picture. Only beyond 96 you can consider that as an extremely bullish move, else it can again retrace and reverse on the downside. On the downside 92.7 is a very strong support level. Below 92.7 you can remain short for 92.4 and 92 the first target, and then it will try to drop till towards 91.2 and 91 levels, the next support level. Only below 91 it will call for the bears out there, and then it will try to drop extremely on the downside. So for the day, in between 92.7 and 93.5 do not trade, but at the same time one must remember 94 and 94.5 are the stronger resistance zone for oil. Yes, achieving these levels it can drop again. Achieving 94 95 it can drop again. So you have to be very cautious on the upside. You have to trade with a stop loss, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Till the time it trades between 95 96, you have to continuously tail the stop loss, as it can reverse, so you can close your profit position in profit. On the downside, go short below 92.7, expect it to get support at 92 and 91. Till 91, yes, it can reverse again. Be cautious in this, between this zone, trail the stop loss and trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, lifetime technical support is what you get, and becoming a mentor, we can learn the art and strategies, and the strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. At the same time, you can be a patron, not just a supporting patron. There are multiple tiers. You can just support the effort on YouTube, or else you can become a consulting partner, and then you can get the advisory from me and get the signals from me and trade accordingly. The patron link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your queries on trading or training. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Look at the hourly charts on net gas. It is giving you a breakout, and it is trying to rise here after consolidation for multiple hours. Now it is trying to rise. So yes, beyond 9.6 definitely once again it may try to act bullish. So just be watchful of 9.6. This is a very strong resistance zone, and beyond 9.6 it may try to act bullish again till towards 9.75, 9.8 levels, and in fact $10 levels can be seen. Directional movement extremely bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is extremely bullish, RSI is near to overbought levels. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, after hours of consolidation it is trying to break out. 9.4 is the 9.6 is a very strong resistance, and 9.4 is a very strong support. Only if it drops below 9.4 I will recommend you to go short. Rather 9.35, only if it drops below 9.35 I will recommend you to go short. Else till the time it trades above 9.35, possibility exists that we may see 9.6, and then above 9.6 we may see it flying for 9.75, 9.8 levels and $10 levels. Directional movement extremely bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish, RSI is looking upwards, indicates that it has to come down, but right now it is trying to act a little bullish. Let's see if it sustains. Look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, after hours of consolidation it is giving you a breakout. We may see a second green candle also, which can try to take it till towards 9.6, and from there the drop can happen. So see, it can still drop. We have to be cautious. Till the time it trades till 9.8 we have to be cautious. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is overbought. MACD has just crossed over on the 3 hour chart, 3 candle apart. It is divergent and bullish. RSI is comfortable. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour chart, see, this is the breakout candle after hours of consolidation. Multiple candles we have seen, and it is trying to trade bullish from here. See, it is taking the support on the downside from 9.2, which is a very strong support, as I shared. Now you can expect 9.6 the first resistance, and beyond 9.6 it may in fact try to come back till towards 9.75, 9.8. Beyond 9.8 it can further fly to $10 levels. The support there at 9.4 is strong. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover, and it is going to cross, and it can remain bullish from here. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, higher lows, and it is getting the support from these, and it is trying to trade in this channel. So higher lows, does it mean that it is going to see higher highs? The next candle is yet to form here. The next candle is yet to begin. I will be watchful of it. If it closes, opens in green and continues to trade, if it continues to trade green from here, the next candle definitely is possibly, see, it is willing to give you a flat top and a flat opening, and it can try to in fact close about 10. Directional movement extremely bullish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD moderately bullish, RSI trading flat. Considering this, see the next candle definitely will decide, but however it appears 9.6 is a very good resistance zone. Once it trades above 9.6, we can expect 9.75, 9.8, and then 9.95. $10 levels. $10 levels are going to be extremely strong resistance for NG. On the downside, you have to be watchful of 9.2. Only short entry is below 9.2. If it draws below 9.2, you can expect it to act little bit bearish till the time it trades above 9.2. Yes, you can take a short entry here too. See, first thing is, let me show you where to take a short entry here. See, a comfortable short entry is at 9.35. If it drops below 9.35, you can again go short, as it can reverse the complete gains. Once you see it dropping below 9.35, go short for 9.3 and 9.2 levels. 9.2 is the strongest resistance for the day. If it drops below 9.2, it will call for further drop till towards 9.1 and $9 levels. So go short only at 9.35, and till the time it trades above 9.35, we can expect 9.6 as the target, and beyond 9.6 it can fly till towards 9.75, 9.8, and $10 levels can be seen. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.